29 forecast.
You're looking live at some hazy blue skies over Charlottesville and Central Virginia as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera. The smoke and haze not quite as thick as what it was on Monday. Good Tuesday noon to you. I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Now, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is a chance for a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms as we head into this evening. And they're going to be few and far between, but if any thunderstorms are able to develop, they may produce some localized damaging wind gusts. Until then, in that first forecast for the rest of your Tuesday, temperatures rising and holding steady in the 80s to lower 90s at 4 p.m. So basically from 4 p.m. to midnight, a couple of splash and dash showers and storms will form in this heat and the humidity. Daytime highs mid 80s for the valley, upper 80s and low 90s across Central Virginia with a red sky sunset as we head towards the 8 p.m. hour. Dry scans right now on our live Doppler radar network, but by the end of the day that may change for some of you. The most widespread activity with severe weather is ongoing from the Missouri Valley down into the Tennessee Valley. That's where severe weather is more likely. And we're just in a very small risk for a strong to severe thunderstorm, but by far the most active weather is going to bypass St. Louis on down into the Mississippi and Tennessee Valley. So that's where the most strong storms will stay, at least in the short-term outlook. But looking at tomorrow, there's a more widespread scale for a localized severe thunderstorm, especially by tomorrow evening through about midnight. We can track them now on our high-res weather tracker. This evening through midnight, not a whole lot going on, so don't count on hearing rumbles of thunder. And then tomorrow morning's quiet. Tomorrow night, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, anytime after 4 p.m. to midnight, a couple of showers and storms will be on the prowl. Looking at the smoke and haze, it will continue to thin out over the next couple of afternoons as the winds turn to the southwest. We have a chance for some scattered showers and downpours. In your Storm Team 29 report today, a smoky, hazy sky, but not quite as thick as what it was on Monday. Daytime high is mid 80s to the lower 90s. A spotty storm chance, especially as we head towards this evening into midnight, but I'm not really super excited for our storm chances this evening. If you do get a downpour, it won't last more than about 15 to 30 minutes, so not expecting flooding. Forecast for the overnight, any evening storm risk will fade away by midnight and thereafter. It'll be an M&M night, mild and muggy. Some patchy fog by daybreak with lows in the mid 60s to the lower 70s, so I'm sure your air conditioner is working overtime. Forecast on Wednesday, not quite as hot, still humid though. Low 80s for the Shenandoah Valley, mid to upper 80s across Central Virginia with a partly sunny sky and mainly a late day shower and storm risk. 7-day forecast on Thursday and Friday. Thursday, a slight thunder shower chance. Otherwise, some hot sunshine. Highs just shy of 90, pushing 90 on Friday, mainly dry, so it'll be seasonably hot for Fridays after 5 and mainly storm free. The weekend looks fantastic for July standards in the mid to upper 80s and overnight lows in the 60s, and it looks to be on the dry side until perhaps early next week, Jared.